As you can see, many of you wanted to know the top speed. Let's check. These are the premium headlights that only come in the higher tier models. Overall they look good and work even better. Yes, the car has pedal shifters, and they're nice and solid and not little flimsy pedal pieces like on other cars. And here, if you look closely, they're even on the steering column, just like on a Ferrari. So much room for activities. As you can see, you can fit a lot of junk in this trunk. Sadly it's electric, so no handbrake turns. But you got heated seats, and you even got a little garage to put your key. And heated steering wheel for the times you don't wear your top speed gloves, the USB port, and this little echo button, but I have no idea what it's good for. And this button which makes me think it might be the Batmobile. Materials are cheap, but overall well put together, especially considering the price.
Biegen Sie rechts ab.
Speeds only legal in Germany, I needed 14 liters. The previous driver managed to stay well below 10. price. This exact model I drove was 31,000 euros in Germany, but the base model already starts at 25,000 euros. That's a lot of car for the money.